Hi guys, today I'm going to draw one-eyed Zen Tangle pattern, and I'm going to draw on my little jelly print book that I have a previous video on this if you haven't seen it yet. So let's get started. It's a cool system that you can tear it off. I've shown this before, but it's like super satisfying, and then you can just throw it back on. So I'm going to work on it like this and move the book aside. I can tell my kitten is getting ready to jump. No, you hear that? Get down. Okay, so what I'm going to do is this is the same rules you'd follow if you have, hold on. Okay, got rid of that bad kitten. Okay, just make a square and then draw X like that. This can be a grid, of course. And I do this a little bit different than the step outs, where I'm going to make like an arrow on each little corner here. Well, not corner, on each little line. Kind of like just a wide arrow. This is a little different than what I've seen. It's just the way I do it. And then we're going to close from this point to this point. And then this point to this point. So I've been drawing on jelly prints a lot lately. It gives a lot of, organic detail, I think. It makes it interesting, and I don't have to shade quite as much, so it's easier on my hands. Actually, I haven't been doing much drawing at all, because I overdid it. Okay, and now we're just going to come up like this and draw a little drop like that. And come up and do it on the other side. Color that in. Turn it around. Color it in. Kind of looks like a butterfly. Reminds me a little bit. And we do that on each side. And one more time. These papers are old work orders for my husband, so it gives some detail. See all the words and stuff. Isn't that a cool Zen tangle? So now let's move on to the shading. I'm taping on this tiny little phone, so I'm grabbing whatever I can today. So we're just going to add some, this is a 2B pencil. I think probably a charcoal would be better on jelly print, but I don't know where it is right now. And go ahead and just blend that up. Okay, so that's it for the shading and pretty much for this video, but I like to add a little line weight, so you could do this too for some interest. Just darken it up like that. I like how that looks. Right in the middle there. And I guess I could even do a little bit right here. I always like to add a little line weight everywhere. Like this. Here it is all finished, guys. I hope you like this video, and please consider subscribing if you haven't done so. Thanks for watching. Bye.